Break the eggs into a metal mixing bowl or a large double boiler bowl. Suspend the mixing bowl over a saucepan of barely simmering water and beat with an electric mixer until foamy. Add sugar and salt. Beat the mixture until it becomes hot. Remove the bowl from the double boiler and continue beating to the ribbon. The mixture will double in volume. Add the flour in one go and fold together as lightly as possible. Adding the melted butter to the last batch. The sponge cake batter is ready. Pour it into a buttered and floured cake pan.